Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all the people so far who've subscribed to my channel. That's over 100 subscribers and I wish to thank you all very much. Today's tutorial is how to make this little fairy house from a recycled second-hand book. So sit down and relax and let's get started.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a fairy house out of a book fold. So what you do is just very easy, two folds. So your first fold, doesn't matter what page you start on, I'm just starting because this is just stuck to there a little bit. So your first fold is you fold from the top at an angle to the spine, like this. And then you take this fold, I'm trying to get it all in so you can see it, because my book's quite tall. Then you take this one and you fold it into the spine here of the book. Now these pages are quite thick, so we want the folding to be quite sharp. So the next step is, what I do is I like a nice sharp fold at the top where the roof is. So I fold from the bottom up and then a nice crease, and then you're going to fold from the top down like this, and that'll give you a nice point. As you can see, it gives you a nice point, and then just turn that there. So you're just alternating between those two folds. So this one straight down and fold over, and the next one from the bottom up, and then from the top down. Like this. So this one makes the point of the roof, and this one makes the base of the house. Makes this part, makes the base of the house. So we're just going to continue doing these alternate folds. So top to the middle, and then the side in. And then bottom folded up to the top, and then the top folded down to the bottom. So as you can see, our little fairy house is starting to develop. So the top folded into the spine, to make the wall, and then fold it into the spine like this. Got a good crease. And the next one is fold it from the bottom up to the top. And from the top to the bottom. So we're just going to continue on. And at this way you can see it better. Until you have this. Now I'm going to tilt it up. So you can see that it really wants to join. So I'm going to cut it here. Now we're going to take this side off as well. Now please be very careful when you do this. Might have been a good idea to take this off at the beginning. Now in this joint in here we're going to put some hot glue. Now you need to do this very quickly because hot glue, as most people know, it will set really hard, really quick. So we're just going to hold that joint and then we're going to leave that to dry. It will dry and stick quite quick. Now this is the bottom and this is our little house. So the little fairy house stands at nearly 23 inches high. Now you can decorate this any way you want. So thank you for watching. Please look out for the next tutorial. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I do need some more subscribers. So I hope to see you all again. Goodbye.